I believe that this year, consulting, coaching, one-on-one group coaching of how to use AI tools is going to boom, because right now AI can build a lot more, AI can do technical work. Now the bottleneck is people knowing what to do, and maybe more abstract and more managerial, more directional, like leading AI, telling AI what to do, how to build. So I think coaching in sense of so many more things are now, AI can do so many more things. So you need to teach people, if you wanna like start AI business, teaching people how to use AI, how to solve automations problems, business automations, etc. And more general coaching, not just how to use, how to solve this specific problem, but generally how to use AI. So tools are outrunning skills. There is so many new tools. We are lagging behind in even people who do it all the time, like me. I use AI all the time, every day, whole day. I'm still lagging in skills. Now, especially people who do some small businesses, do some other stuff, they're not even learning how to use AI. So they are also going to lag even more. So coaching people how to use AI, how to do things with AI. And the thing is, you don't need to be expert. You don't need to be using it every day yourself. You just need to know a bit more than business owners, than people who do this, to teach them one-on-one. And I feel like one-on-one is so easy to sell, and it's a very good beginner business model. Because for group coaching, it's more difficult. Like you need to find people who have same interest. You need to know what you're gonna teach them. It's difficult. One-on-one is like it's so valuable because the person can talk to you directly. You talk to them, you teach them. It's so much more valuable in sense that it's easier to do and easier to start with as a business. And trust is going to be your moat, your secret weapon. So building trust. And I always say building trust through social media, making videos every day like I do, or making posts, showing that you know what you're doing animations, doing coaching, doing everything. So this way, this is how I sell and how I get clients to one-on-one clients that for example, I show them how to automate emails. I show them how to do these other things, how to use AI tools. And as I said, it's more profitable to teach people how to use AI tools than to provide some solutions, unless you can scale the solution. The problem with solution is, first of all, teaching is more scalable. So you can have a group, like school group, and teaching is more valuable than just providing a solution, just providing a finished product, because they may not know how to use it. Now I'm talking with like small businesses or single person people. I'm not talking about enterprises. They might be able to maintain it, they use it, etc. So I think the easiest AI business to start is just one-on-one coaching people how to use tools, how to automate, how to use cloud code, all this stuff, whatever they need. And here the main thing is talking to them, like in the beginning of let's say you do 1 hour one-on-one coaching. In the beginning, you're gonna talk to them, what they need, what they do. And you may also send some email with questions before, like just to understand what they want. And then talking to them, and then adapting whatever you're saying to their specific situation. Here are some pros and cons of selling training. Now, I don't recommend you pre-record videos and sell that. It's not good. I think it's not good because there are free YouTube videos who explain the same thing, how to use AI, how to use this. So there is a beginner business model, which is one-on-one coaching, easy to start, and then there is scalable business model, which is a school group. So building school group, I'm building one right now. So there, the main point is like the engagement, the friendships people make. It needs to be like some energy, and the group needs to be alive. People go there, they are in the community where everybody is doing the same thing, even if. So the difference, like there is a difference between YouTube video and community. YouTube video, you can explain some technical details, some expert content. People go there to learn exactly how to do this thing technically. But community is more like friendship, hanging out, motivating each other, keeping accountability, just hanging out in this group. So you pick up, just like you pick up a foreign language when you talk to people who speak that language, you also pick up these business ideas, automations, email automations, tricks, and everything. So Hours for money, this is a con of one-on-one coaching, but it's actually so easy to start. You should start because one-on-one coaching is like 10 times easier than anything else to start. And but I think none of these other are so big cons. So I think like one-on-one coaching to start and then school community to scale. One way of coaching. Now this is what I do, but there are other ways like group coaching, mentoring. But also you need to understand that people don't want to build discipline. People want a easy, simple solution without putting in any effort. People don't want to change themselves to become disciplined, do this every day, 2 hours. They don't want this. They want easy, simple solution that you give them without any effort from them. So how do you sell this one-on-one classes in school community? So one way is making like social media posts. I think this is the best way. So I'm making some tutorials on how to automate emails. So people who are kind of wanting to automate emails, they buy or they may schedule calls, how to do this, how to do that. So you just make YouTube tutorials. I think YouTube is the best way, easiest way to build this kind of business to sell. So I think you all should start making some YouTube videos or social media posts, but YouTube is best. Other ways to sell. The problem with other ways is you like people need to see your stuff, and on YouTube is best. So I'm not sure how we would do this without using social media. Social media is such a hack, cheat code to get people to see your stuff. So I know some people who grew on X, LinkedIn. For me, it's YouTube primarily. I feel like YouTube is best. But there are people who grew on X, LinkedIn, so you can try. You can check other video here. I just published one 3 hours ago on my new channel. So this is gonna be a channel about like using AI for business. So see you in the next video.